An intense storm in Terrassa causes flooding and overflowing roads. On Tuesday afternoon, the municipality had to activate the Municipal Emergency Plan due to bad weather. The storm that came down heavily this Tuesday afternoon in several places in Catalonia have caused flooding and traffic problems in places such as Vallès, central Catalonia and Garrotxa, among other counties. The downpours, accompanied in some cases by hail and wind, have washed away ditches and streets, swept away vehicles, overflowed streams and forced the interruption of traffic on some roads. In Terrassa, more than 46 liters per square meter were collected in just half an hour, and 100 in a couple of hours. Streets such as Rambla were flooded, where the water swept away cars and motorbikes. According to the city council, there were no personal damage. In the 10 hours that the episode of rain in Catalonia has lasted, 207 fire services have been deployed. The Central Emergency Region, with 93, and the North, with 76, have to concentrate the majority of incidents. For its part, the 112 emergency telephone number has received up to 10 o'clock at night 455 calls associated with 321 incidents due to the in-cut alert. Most of the services in which the fire brigade has been alerted have been due to floods and leaks, but it has also been necessary to activate the Underwater Special Action Group to rescue people trapped by sudden increases in flood zones. Serious personal injuries have been reported in none of the services across Catalonia. Civil Protection has deactivated the alert of the Municipal Plan due to the decrease in the probability that precipitation will exceed the intensity threshold in the northeast quadrant. The plan remains in a pre-alert situation because intense showers are still expected in Lleida and central Catalonia during the night. The Meteorological Service of Catalonia (SMC) predicts that during the night there is a probability of exceeding intensities of 20 liters per square meter in 13 minutes, especially in the region of Lleida and central Catalonia. During the rainfall episode, the intensity threshold was exceeded in municipalities such as Terrassa, 46.9 liters per square meter in 30 minutes, Vallès, 36.2, Odina, 32.4, Fornells de la Selva, 29.5.